Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for BC corporation loans in Andhra Pradesh. These vital financial schemes are designed to empower individuals from backward classes, fostering self-employment and economic growth. Understanding the application process is crucial for accessing these beneficial funds. We will cover eligibility, required documents, and the steps to successfully secure your loan. Let's get started. To qualify for a BC corporation loan, you must be a permanent resident of Andhra Pradesh and belong to the backward classes category. There are also income criteria. For instance, your annual household income might need to be below 150,000 rupees in rural areas or 200,000 rupees in urban areas. Gather essential documents like your Aadhaar card, caste certificate, income proof, and bank passbook to ensure a smooth application. The application process begins by obtaining the official form, either online from the AP OMS portal or directly from their district office. Carefully fill out every section, ensuring all personal and financial information is accurate. Once completed, attach all the necessary supporting documents, such as your proofs of identity, address, and income. Finally, submit your comprehensive application to the designated authority for review. After submission, your application will be meticulously verified by the BC Corporation officials to confirm all details and eligibility. If approved, the loan amount will be directly disbursed into your designated bank account, typically within a few weeks. This final step completes your journey to securing financial assistance. Also, for those looking to enhance their financial knowledge, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.